as a fitting tribute, it seems only right now to call up Fidget's mum, Freya, and of course our very own Helen Brown. Helen was the former kennel manager at Sandon, and has now come back to join us. Serving from October of 2008 to March of 2011, Freya is a German Shepherd. She was used as our brood bitch.
Well, I don't know.
Manchester born, Manchester bred. She had 1 litter of 9 pups, 7 bitches and 2 dogs. 3 of these pups went on to be Essex police dogs, Frankie, Fidget and Frosty. Freya likes swimming, walking in the woods, finding the largest log branch she can, training, and she adores my husband Stan.
Yeah.
Freya
More than the wife does.
She has a sincere dislike for the vet and the postman. Achievements in her working life. Helen competed in the working trials with Freya, where she qualified and was placed in all stakes up to TD, which is tracking dogs. Freya now enjoys retirement with Helen and Stan in a lovely village in Norfolk. Police dog, Freya.